Hi guys, Dino Bhai in a new avatar. You might be wondering, क्या भाई cycling के अवतार में Dino Bhai land हो गए? Yeah, so post what has happened a few days back, still in that grieving period, but still trying to overcome that and face that, and trying to distract myself, and also taking up cycling because yes, fit hai to hit hai. So fit India, hit India is something that I always believed in. So now it's time to put down some weight and get back into shape. And so we are taking up cycling, and helping me in this initiative is GHM Gearhead Motors. They've sent me an electric cycle, and from today onwards, we're going to take up this challenge of 1 month, 30 days challenge, fitness challenge, and we're going to see how much weight I reduce now and how effective cycling is when you try to include it in your fitness regime. So first let's check the weight. Let's do the weight check. And you can see I'm pretty much overweight now, but I have all the accessories on. So you can say close to 85 kilos. And we'll check 30 days later. Today, आज का क्या date है? 28th. Yeah. 28th. So we'll check in Jan 28th, and we'll see what the results are. But for now, wish me luck and let's hit the road. So guys, first ride is on the way. This is called the Model F from GHM EV. Around 60 kilometers range, 40 kilometers per hour top speed. Pedal assist is there. 0 to 25 kilometers per hour in 2.85 seconds. It's pretty fast. There are no gears. That is one thing you need to note. You do have a projector lamp, maybe LED projector or something. So the must have gears. I forgot my gloves today because we're already running behind schedule. And there's Vicky on his hybrid bike or the road bike. This one is an MTB. I would say a road bike is always better. So you already have the battery fully charged. Go up to 60 kilometers range, and if you are tired, all you need to do is give the throttle, and you need not pedal. It will just pull you forward just in case you feel tired. This kind of first cycle vlog for me. Hope you guys like it. हवा चेक कर दो ना इसका।
इसका कितना पड़ता है?
30,000। సో పెడల్ అసిస్ట్ పెట్టుకొని దొక్కుతున్నాము. మనకైతే అవసరము ఫస్ట్ డే కాబట్టి. మనోడు 50-60 కిలోమీటర్స్ 100 కిలోమీటర్లు కూడా కొట్టేసి వచ్చాడు. సో వాడికి కొత్త ఏం కాదు. డోంట్ ఓవర్ ఎగ్జర్ట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ వెన్ యూఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫస్ట్. గో స్లోలీ but surely. Slowly start increasing the distance slowly start increasing the time on the cycle. The pedal assist is helping me a lot because it's day one for me. Otherwise I would have been left puffing and panting even half a kilometer. But this is the advantage. Feel tired, just give a little bit of throttle, then take over with the pedals. So the best part about cycling, this idiot is honking the hell out of this. Over honking also needs to be punished, I believe. But anyway, another an incline. Can we make it with pedal assist? Let's see. So the essentials: you need lights, you need mudguard, you need hydration pack. Mudguards because your back doesn't become an Asian Paints Royal Play canvas, because dirt will play with your back. You don't have mudguards installed. Light if you ride in the night, but always have a light on your helmet such that your visibility is enhanced. Oh, we have a slope. Time to relax. Vicky has gone missing. What happened to Vicky? Oh my god. Now we are left in the middle of a slope. This is where the throttle comes into play. Or let's try climbing it. Let's see whether pedal assist works. Yeah, it does. Wow. This is a new experience. Cycle shots are very important. So Vicky is back. Huh?
4 kilometers so far.
4 kilometers. Pretty good. We'll go a little further. We'll go up to 6.
Okay, fine.
So let's see.
Faster than mine.
Okay. Turn the pedal assist on. And Dinabai becoming a mountain biker and TV champion. Off we go. Let's go. So far so good. We've achieved around 4 kilometers.
26 kilometers per hour.
Wow. That's awesome. So he has a speedo attached on his cycle. He's just running away, pulling away. Oh my god. ఎక్కి వాడు తడాకా చూపిస్తున్నాడు. ఆగరా రే వస్తున్నా 2 రోజులు నేను అలవాటు కానీ దాని తర్వాత అప్పుడు भी किसी से कम नहीं అని ప్రూవ్ చేద్దాం. Vicky is vanished without a trace. Okay, there is Vicky waiting for me. Vicky, 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 Vicky. ఏంట్రా ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్ళిపోయినావు, నన్ను వదిలేసి ఒంటరివాడు చేసి వదిలిపోయినావునా.
50
నన్ను అనాథగా చేసి వదిలేసావు.
50 kilometers per hour టచ్ చేశా.
అవునా? ఓకే ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో అహెడ్.
తందూరి, let's stop at తందూరి.
ఓకే If you're wondering where is tandoori, it is right opposite over there.
మన రెగ్యులర్ అట్ట.
Regular atta. The old-fashioned way. Pedal assist on.
That is MT-15, this is R15. Like a
No.
Piccati Panigale.
Oh yes. Now I am on nitrogen. Nitrogen. No. Cheating. Ah. Careful. Great experience for day one.
That's the advantage of that one.
Huh?
ఎక్కడైనా ఎక్కించేసి ఇదేమో కేర్ఫుల్గా ఉండాలి.
So guys, end of day one, let me give you a summary of how the cycle performed. So on the way to the destination, I rode with pedal assist, and on the way back I used 50% of the throttle. So it gave me close to just 10 kilometers. So I'm assuming that on the whole it can give a range of 20-25 kilometers on a full charge. It takes 3 hours to full charge, and we did close to 9.26 or close to 9.5 kilometers one way, and the way back also I pedaled for half the distance. But let's keep that aside. 10 kilometers for day one is pretty decent, and let's see what happens as rest of the challenge continues. Day 2, day 3, we have 30 days to go. And talking about the cycle, fit and finish build quality is very good. It's only that the kids who came to assemble didn't know the knowledge, didn't have proper knowledge, so didn't assemble properly. But the cycle as a whole is well built. Decent package to get started for people like me who are beginners in the cycling lifestyle, cycling sport. For them, it is a good companion, helping you with the pedal assist. No fiddling around with the gears. Pretty decent bike for the price. So stay tuned for day 2. What happens?